Guys, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So today's video we're going to be talking about the best deals taking place at Walgreens from July the 26th to August the 1st. So remember, the dates are for that window. So if you're going to run out today and do those deals, you might be running into a couple of problems. So this week is very significant because it is the start of a new shopping month over at Walgreens. So we're going to have a bunch of new monthly deals and a new IVC book and a whole bunch of new magic over there. So new month, new deals, very excited about it. If you were so lucky to find this, it would be in your digital coupons folder. Always a year mileage may vary. It's a digital coupon that showed up, I believe, last Wednesday. Obviously, the best one that was showing up for shoppers was 5,000 when you spend 20. This one, which is 5,000 when you spend 50. Well, since I'm not rich, I'm not going to be doing the deal. Let's not forget to pay cash for this one because it is a spend offer, and to earn those points, you have to pay cash for the balance. Okay, so with the new month at Walgreens, there is going to be new monthly deals, which is always exciting. There is going to be a new big book of savings, which is also exciting. In this weekend's newspaper, the P&G insert will be showing up. So definitely, if you can go to your local gas station or wherever you might get the paper, or look through your local weekend paper if it shows up at your house, keep an eye out for that one because there's always fantastic coupons in that insert. And the beauty event is supposed to be from August the 20th to the 22nd, so a little later in the month. Shout out to Clipcat over on Instagram. She had it on her account, and it's some very good information for us that love to shop that beauty event. And in case you missed it earlier in the week, I posted a video of 90% off clearance merch, new stuff that's been showing up, including a lot of kids' toys and skincare. So both of those items really interesting, so if you want to check that out, I will link that video at the very end. Now, I know a lot of you want to know about Pumpkin. What's the update of my little cat? And he's just been awful again. He actually went onto my desktop computer, redesigned the banner of my YouTube page, my little logo as well. Before, if you remember, it was a photo of shopping carts and Suzu, and he said that was unacceptable and that he was the boss now. So I just said, okay. And he told me that if I don't step it up, that he was going to do all the matchups from now on as well, guys. So I don't know, like the video if you want Pumpkin to do all the matchups for the next week and I'll just take a vacation, let me know. But he said that he can do everything a lot better than me. So that's what's been going on. Maybe you guys can let me know if this banner is a hit or a miss. Okay, deal number one is with the Fruit Loops cereal for $1.99. On Sunday morning, there's going to be a 50-cent manufacturer digital that's showing up, dropping it down to $1.49. Now, if you use IBOTTA, you might want to go through your Walgreens folder and see if you might have a very similar rebate to me, which is 60 cents back when you buy a Fruit Loops, and the sizing is the same. So here's the math again, guys. Grab a box of Fruit Loops for $1.99, subtracting that 50-cent manufacturer, which is digital, showing up on Sunday morning. You're paying $1.49 out of pocket, submitting 60 cents to IBOTTA, and the final price point for the box is 89 cents. Not bad. Okay, the next little dealio that we have is with the Tide, Bounce, and selected varieties of P&G. So possibly the Unstoppables, the smaller one, will be included. When you buy 3 of these, you're getting back a $3 register reward, and they're $2.99 each. Now, there was a $2 coupon in the July P&G that's expiring on Saturday, so you can't use it in concert with this deal. But let's just say if you might have one of these from the razor deal last week, I'm sure a couple of you might have a couple of these, along with this $5 one from the Tide deal the week previous as well. So looking at this deal 2 different ways, grabbing 3 P&G detergent products. If you want to get one of each, or like all 3 Tide Simply, it is your choice. That is $8.97. Subtracting the 3 and the $5 register rewards, that's $8 off right there. You're left paying 97 cents out of pocket, getting back a $3 register reward. Hey, that's kind of a good little deal. Let's say you have no register rewards, grab 3 for $8.97, use 5,000 points, pay $3.97 out of pocket, and then get back a $3 register reward. And let's not forget to go to that website, P&G Good Every Day. These are items that are going to qualify towards points to gift cards and to give to charity. So this is just a great little deal to get these, like, laundry, meat and potatoes items at a very reduced cost. Okay, so the next little dealio, and this is a monthly deal because it's within IVC. These products are typically $5. There's a $1.25 IVC found in the August Big Book, dropping it down to $3.75. So that's really inexpensive paper products. And I know that depending where you're living, even here in Michigan, like if you're living in like the Kalamazoo area, this stuff is really hard to track down right now because people are still panic buying. So, it might be a really great price point to stock up in case something goofy happens in the next couple of months where we're all on a lockdown again. Factor in that you have one of these register rewards from the Gillette deal the previous week. I know probably a couple of you are sitting on some of them. So looking at this deal, grabbing one of those Scots, subtracting the $1.25 IVC, so you can either load it digitally or get the cashier to manually scan it from the book. So $1.25 is coming off right there. Let's throw in a $3 register reward, or you can use 3,000 points if you wish, pay 75 cents. And I believe 75 cents is a stock up price if I've ever heard or seen of one. And I know, again, like in certain parts, especially in southern Michigan, this stuff is really like gold right now. So it might be a stock up price to use some points to pay for it. I just think that's being smart. And also with the Cottonelle, it's going to be $5.99. There's going to be a $1 coupon starting on Sunday, dropping it down to $4.99. If you want to throw in register rewards or points, this might be a really good item to stock up on just to build up your paper products. Okay, so the next deal, this one is kind of different, and it's 10,000 points when you spend 20 on participating Nexus, Love Beauty Planet, blah, blah, blah. Because this is a spend deal, you have to pay cash for the balance. If you use points, you won't earn your 10,000 back. Now, this little gem showed up on coupons.com, so hopefully you can print out 2 of them, and hopefully this coupon is still there. I believe it was first thing this morning. So I'm grabbing 2 of the shampoos at $11.99. In the store, I think they might be $14 or $15.99 for one. So you're going to have to ask your cashier to do an online price mod, and hopefully they do it. So 2 of them with an online price mod is $23.98. Subtracting 2 $5 coupons from coupons.com, you're paying $13.98 out of pocket, cash, and then you're getting back your 10,000 points, making it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 for each. Can't stress it enough, you got to pay cash for this. Now, if you were very lucky to get one of those boosters, like 5,000 points when you spend 20, using it in concert with this deal, this will be free plus a $1.02 money maker. Now, that online price match modification, if you can't do it in your store is super strict, or if they just refuse to do it, some stores are very strict and they won't do it, but it's in their policy that you can at least get one item price modded. You would have to pass on it. And I believe the cheapest item is the hair spray, which is $13.99. So that's a little bit more out of pocket than the cheaper shampoo. Now, I know a lot of you have the 5 off of 1 or the 3 off of 1. These don't expire until Saturday, August the 1st. Looking at this deal a different way, 2 of the shampoos price modified at $11.99 a pop is $23.98. Subtracting the $5 and the $3 digital, you're paying $15.98 cash out of pocket. So cash, credit card, pennies, whatever you might have, you're paying cash. You're getting back your 10,000 points, $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per product. Pay cash. And if you might have that 5,000 when you spend 20, you would get back another 5,000 points, making it 98 cents for the 2. And don't forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Nexus is part of their catalog, so yes, you will get back extra points for that. Okay, so let's talk about some free toothpaste. The Crest toothpaste will be $3 starting on Sunday. There's going to be a $2 off found in the August P&G along with the digital, and then a $2 register reward when you buy 2. Lining up that math, it's completely for free. And this is what the August P&G coupon looks like. It's a $2 off, and you can use up to 2. But digitally, we're only going to get one $2 coupon, so it's more advantageous to use the ones from the P&G. Grabbing 2 tubes of toothpaste for $6 on the nose, subtracting 2 $2 coupons, that's $4 right there. You're going to pay 2 out of pocket, or possibly use 2,000 points, and then you're going to get back your $2 register reward. Now, if you wanted to do this a couple of times, you would have to break it up into a couple transactions, because register rewards only print once per transaction. So if you wanted to say get 4 tubes of toothpaste, you'd have to break it up into 2 transactions to get 2 register rewards. Hopefully that is crystal clear. And if you want to use points to pay down your balance for this little dealio, that is perfectly fine. Okay guys, this next deal that we have is for some more expensive Crest products. Now, if there is a toothbrush that's $4.99 that's included, it would look like this photo, but it would be a single toothbrush that's $4.99. We have this $2 coupon and the August P&G. So pairing it with that, we have a great little deal here. So grabbing 2 of the fancier toothbrushes at $4.99 a pop, that's $9.98. Subtracting 2 $2 coupons from the August P&G, that's $4 right there. You're left with paying $5.98 out of pocket. If you wish to use 5,000 points, go for it. You're going to earn back a $5 register reward for buying 2, making it 98 cents for the 2 fancy toothbrushes, or 49 cents each. Okay, so this deal is back, guys, and it's 6,000 points when you buy 3 of these items, and you can mix and match off this grid. So for this one, we're going to grab some Bounty and then the Tampax. And here it is again, 6,000 points when you purchase 3 products. And for this one, yes, you can use points to earn points. It's just goofily written as usually buy, but the purchase works as well because it did last month. Now, if you were so lucky, I got this, and this was like one of those just for you coupons, which is a $3 off of the Bounty or the Charmin. And then we have this $2 from the August P&G. Alternatively, there'll probably be a digital $2 for the Tampax and then a $2 for the Always that you can digitally load, but you'll have to get 1 Tampax and 1 Always product. Looking at this little dealio here, 1 of the Charmins for $9.99 and then 2 of the Tampax for $11.98. That's 3 items. So that's $21.97, subtracting 2 $2 coupons from the August P&G for the Tampax, plus a $3 digital for the Charmin. And I'm going to throw in 10,000 points. I'll pay $4.97 out of pocket, get back my 6,000. It's okay to use points for this. And if you have the 5,000 when you spend 20, like that booster, if you would use it with this, that would be a much better deal. So just a little bit of food for thought, but not the worst deal. Okay, the next deal that we have is with the Revlon Almay Cosmetics. It's a buy one, get one 50% off and a $3 register reward when you buy 2. So we're going to look at the Almay makeup wipes for this one, and it's $5.99 on a BOGO 50% off. So for 2 of them, guys, that's $8.98. I don't have any coupons. So I'm going to use 5,000 points, pay $3.98 cash out of pocket, get back my $3 register reward, 98 cents for 2 or 49 cents each, which with a loss of 5,000 points. Now that Revlon $2 coupon that's supposed to be in this weekend's insert, if you go into the fine print, they've changed things around saying, 1 coupon per person per lifetime. It's very strict. So you might need to grab like an eye product and a lip product and buy those 2. Buy the makeup wipes, buy the Kiss Bomb, buy something cheaper to just use points if you don't want to mess around with coupons. But they've kind of gone strict with us. So unfortunately, I don't have any coupons to show you guys for this, but I did see some on Instagram and I was even surprised with that. So I would rather just do an easy deal like this with the makeup wipes or the Kiss Bomb. Now, this is an easy deal with the Speed Stick. It's buy one, get one 50% off. We're going to have a $1 digital coupon starting on Sunday. And typically when they do this, they usually give you both a men and a women's $1 coupon and then 3,000 points when you buy 2. So looking at the math for this one, buy both a men and a women's Speed Stick deodorant. It's priced at $2.99 on a buy one, get one 50% off. That's $4.48. Subtracting both the men and the women's $1 coupons that will be magically showing up on Sunday morning. That's $2 off right there. You're left with paying $2.48 out of pocket, getting back 3,000 points, making it free, plus a 52-cent moneymaker for this deodorant. This is a deal you should be doing on Sunday because free deodorant is the best deodorant. Now, here's a great little one. The Purex crystals, the packs, along with the detergent is 3 for $6. So it's basically $2 each. Now, on an average week, if you were just going to go into a store and grab one of the Purex crystals, I think it's usually closer to like $5.99. It's really expensive. So even at this price point, it's a killer deal. But in this weekend's insert in the Retail Me Not, there's going to be a whole host of coupons, including this $1 off for the packs, and that 4-in-1 pack is included. And then we have a little 50 center for the beads. Verbiage on these coupons are super strict, like 1 per person per lifetime. So that's why I'm suggesting you use 1 of each. And then this one, a 50 center for the detergent. So grabbing like 1 of each, that's $6, and then you would use 2 50 centers and $1 off from the Retail Me Not of July the 26th, subtracting $2 right there. You're left with paying $4 out of pocket for the 3 products, making it $1.33 each. If you want to use 4,000 points, go for it. Alternatively, if you don't have those fancy dancy coupons, grab 3 Purex products for $6 on the nose, and then use a $5 register reward, or 5,000 points, whatever you might have, and then you're left paying $1 for 3 or 33 cents each. And if you wish to use points to pay down your balance for this one, that's totally fine. Okay, let's talk about some loves. 2 for $15. There's going to be a 2 off of 2 IVC coupon plus a $1.50 digital, and it's also going to be in the August P&G, this $1.50 coupon. So this is for some inexpensive diapers. So here is what the $1.50 coupon looks like. So, you would need 2 of these, or a digital and a paper one. Grabbing 2 of them, it's $15. Scan that 2 off of 2 IVC from the August Big Book, along with having 2 $1.50 coupons from the August P&G. And also use 10,000 points, why not? And you're left with paying tax. It's okay to use points in this scenario, and yes, it is a loss of 10,000 points, but considering this is something disposable, for like diapers, and if you need it, if you're a parent, or if you're buying this for somebody who has toddlers or babies, I think this is a really smart use of your points for something that is like a disposable product. Now let's talk about some honorable mentions in this flyer. This is a digital coupon you should load on Sunday morning. It's going to be a 7 off of 2. So these products are going to be 2 for $14. With that 7 off of 2, it's $3.50 per product. Last month they had an IVC, but load it. Maybe there will be a deal later in the month that we could use that 7 off of 2 coupon. Also, the Walgreens brand of like storage or sandwich bags are buy 1 get 2 for free. So basically that shakes them out to 93 cents each. It's usually $2.79 for the first, so not a bad little deal. And these backpacks, and this is also a Walgreens brand, which is Wexford. It's on a buy 1 get 1 free. And then a lunchbox is included with them. So, perhaps some inexpensive school supplies. And then this is the doorbuster for school supplies this week that include these notebooks, little books, pencils, and those little scissors. If you're an extreme couponer and you're clipping coupons in the store, like yours truly, 49 cents is a killer price for those itty bitty scissors. Now, the Bon Vive or Bud Light Seltzer, these adult beverages are $13.99. You would pay that out of pocket and then get an $8 mail-in rebate that comes out of the Catalina machine. Alternatively, if it doesn't print, you can always write to the manufacturer and they'll send you a link. It basically drops it down to $5.99. You're going to have to send your receipt and your UPC to the manufacturer, and they will mail you back either like a credit card with the amount or a little check. So it just makes it really inexpensive, and this is usually 1 per household. Now this is a really great deal, 2 for $1 with those Arizona teas. If you have a lot of register rewards and you need a filler item to grab your register reward in your basket, this is a really great product to grab. I always love these iced teas, and I love this price point. And then other food items that are very 4 for $5 for these little snacks of the tuna and crackers or the bumblebee tuna. And then we have 2 for $4 for the Jif or Smuckers. Always a great thing to have stocked in your pantry. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.